How to turn off email notifications in iPhone 16 Pro Max. So let's start the video. First of all, if you want to turn off mail notifications and Gmail notifications, then simply go in settings and scroll down, and here you see the option notifications. Simply click on notifications and then scroll down, and here you see the app mail. Click on mail app, and here you can turn off your mail notifications. If you turn off this button, your mail notifications will be turned off. And if you want to turn off Gmail notification, then simply open Gmail, and simple way to turn off Gmail notifications. So this is the way to turn off email notifications in iPhone 16 Pro Max. Thanks for watching this video.